but the market's still hovering around in 23,950 mark there, and we're seeing a decent amount of short positions getting added there. So the open interest is up nearly 1% in today's trade for the Nifty Bank. If you look at it, again there's some weakness which is coming in Nifty Bank, and in that sense you are seeing the Nifty Bank is down nearly 0.6% with a 3% jump in open interest in Nifty Bank. Look at the constituents of Nifty Bank. You're seeing shorts getting built up in private sector banks there, HDFC, Axis, Kotak and Bandhan are seeing some short build up happening. ICICI Bank in the end and AU Small Finance are seeing long build up, and in the PSU banks SBI, BOI and Bank of Baroda and PNB are seeing some shorts getting built up in today's trade there. But look at what's happening in call and put writing. You have 24,000 very active because of the call writers taking up positions there and trying to hold off the advance for the Nifty. The Nifty fell below the 24,000 mark in early morning trade, so it's still holding on to that level and trying to breach, come back about that 24,000 level. Look at the distribution and you'll see that the call writers have a upper edge at the 24,000 level, and we're seeing build up of some put positions happening at the lower end, 23,900 and 23,800 levels there. But in the futures gainers, you have BDL, LIC, BHL. So the PSU pack is very active, all up over 3% in today's trade. Some shorts getting covered there, and in BHL we're seeing some long buying happening. So the PSU is the sector of the day. If you look at futures losers, you will see that Infosys, TCS, LTM, all tech companies are the biggest losers today. Down between 5 to 7%, Infosys down nearly 7% on the back of over 10% fall in the ADR. Look at what's happening in the open interest side. You have Persistent, Muthoot and Infosys all adding short positions. In fact, Persistent is adding nearly 12% addition in open interest, and Infosys is also seeing nearly 9.6% jump in open interest there. Among the losers, you have stocks like Premier Energy, where there's a short covering. BDL is seeing a short covering, and PG Electro Plus is also seeing a shorts getting covered in today's trade there. But the most active stock options, TCS 2100 June call, stock trading at 2082 levels. The premium is down nearly 80 rupees in today's trade, and it's trading at 3280. But the open interest build up is much higher, 23.92 lakh contracts getting added in today's trade there. The other one is the Infosys 1000 June put, where the stock is trading around 1040, 14.15 lakh contracts getting added. The premium up is nearly 7.75 to 9.3, and you're seeing over 14 lakh contracts getting added there. So it's a day where tech stocks are getting hammered, and PSU stocks are seeing buying interest today.
Okay, Sajeev, thanks so much for taking us through that. So yes, PSU seeing interest, but tech is a sector that's clearly under the hammer today. But on that note, we're completely timed out on this edition of Markets at Noon. Thanks so much for tuning in, but keep watching ET now, because all about your companies putting the spotlight on Shringar House of Mangalsutra today.